Community members are accessing a new service at the Martin Luther King Jr. Community Center. The center now offering ways to connect people with mental and behavioral health resources.
KREM 2's Janelle Finch is joining us now live to share more on how this new position will help serve the East Central community and beyond.
The Martin Luther King Jr. Community Center operates a food bank, after-school programming, and a lot of other services. Now it's adding a new service for the community that is often not treated as a priority.
Melanie Flores is the center's new behavioral health coordinator. Since November 2021, she's been helping people in the community get connected with local resources. She says, despite her title, her position serves more than just those looking for behavioral health services.
Doesn't necessarily mean just mental and behavioral health, but also health care and just, resources to places such as like the food bank that we have here or clothing drives around the community.
But when people are looking for behavioral health resources, she can refer them to Providence Health programs.
And I also have connections with like the BEST program and the RISE program for those behavioral services for children, as well as, just services for adults too.
The position is fully funded by Providence. According to Providence, in 2020, the Providence Health System designated $50 million over a 5-year period to support healthcare disparities. And that's what brought Flores to the center.
It ties in with my passion to help people and, help them when they're in times of needs, as well as, those bonds that I create with them.
That's what the MLK Center Executive Director Frida Gandy says this service is all about, making personal connections.
The goal is to not just hand you a piece of paper with a list of resources and, and hope for the best. Melanie actually builds a relationship with families.
Anyone in the community can access the center's resources, but Gandy says this new position will specifically help break down mental health stigmas for Black people.
We can break down that stigma around accessing mental health services that is pretty high in the Black community. So hopefully having someone like Melanie who can take the time to talk you through any trauma or any apprehension you might have as to accessing services, that she would be the person that could do it and connect you to the right services.
According to Providence, this position addresses the lack of mental health care support for the Black community, and it's a service connection that comes at no cost.
Flores says one of the biggest obstacles community members face is transportation. Being based in the community center helps provide easy access recommendations to other services like SNAP or family resources. Janelle Finch, KREM 2 News.